Alright guys, welcome back to JavaScript series. In the last videos, we talked about variables, functions, conditionals, and loops. Today, we are moving into something very important in JavaScript called JavaScript arrays. Arrays are how we store multiple values inside one variable. Instead of creating many variables like name1, name2, name3, we can put everything inside one variable, right, and manage it easily. In this video, I'll show you how to create arrays, how to add items to an array, how to remove items from an array, and the difference between slice and splice. This topic is very important because arrays are used everywhere: forms, APIs, React, backend, everything. Let's jump straight into code. First of all, I'm creating an array called fruit. An array is written using square brackets. Inside the square bracket, we put values separated by commas. Here, I store three strings: apple, banana, and orange. Where I log fruit, JavaScript shows me all the value of the array. This is the values in the console: apple, banana, and orange. Alright, next we are going to look at array method. So there are a whole lot of different array methods, but for now we're going to be looking at the push. Alright, so the push adds a new item to the end of an array. So when I push mango, it goes after the orange. Then I log the array again so we can clearly see the change in the console. So look at it and you can see the mango after the orange. Alright, we'll go to the next. So let's comment out this, and we're looking at the unshift now. So now I use the unshift to add to the beginning of the array. So as I said earlier, the unshift adds a new item to the beginning of the array. When I add pineapple, it becomes the first item. Again, I log array so we can visually confirm what happened. Alright, so and this is it in the array. You can see the pineapple is the first item here. Alright, so let's go to the next part. So we are going to be looking at ways of removing items in an array from an array. Okay, so the first on our list is the pop, and now the pop just helps us to remove the last items in an array. Alright, that's the end. So when I pop, mango is removed. So logging again helps us confirm the result. So we'll log the array and let's check our console. So now you can see it has removed it. Alright, so let's check. You can see we are comparing the previous one and this. So now okay, let's go back to our VS Code. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the shift. Alright, so this is the shift. Sorry, yeah, right here. Good. So the shift just does the opposite of the pop. So it removes from the beginning of the array. Alright, so that's it. So it removes the first item in the array. So pineapple gets removed and the rest shift forward. So we log it here and we check our console, and this is it. So you can see what is different from the previous one. So then now this part is very important, right? So is the slice. Okay, so yeah, I think okay, so let's correct the slice word first. Okay, so now the slice is used to copy part of an array. It does not change the original array. Slice 02 means start from index 0 and stop before index 2. I log both the sliced array and the original array, so you can see the original stayed the same. So this is for the original that we are logging here, and we're going to log the original and check our console, and you can see this is the sliced one. Alright, and this is the original one. Alright, so that's it. So we'll move to the next part. Now this is where beginners usually get confused. Splice. So splice actually changed the original array. So splice 1, we are going to do the fruit splice 1 1. It means we'll start at index 1, remove one item, and we log it, and you'd see. Right, so let's check it on the console, and this is it. You can see. Alright, so we'll go to the next example and we'll do what? We'll try to add an item using the splice, and we do the fruit dot splice 1 0. We add grape, and we add watermelon. So start at 1, remove nothing, add new items there, and that is it. And we log it and check our console. This is it. You see we added new fruit, watermelon and grape. All right, great. So the last example, we use the splice to replace an item. All right, so this is why splice is more powerful but also more dangerous if you are not careful. So we use this to replace. All right, and we log this, and great, we just log it and check. Okay, a mistake, delete it, bring it out. Yeah, okay, good. And yeah, this is it. So that is it for JavaScript arrays. Today you learned how to create arrays, add items, remove items, and clear difference between slice and splice. Arrays are something you will use in every real project, so make sure you practice this very well. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.